Hi, in this video, we will learn how to integrate WhatsApp with HubSpot. We need to go to Cooby's Integration Center and click on the integration guide right below HubSpot. If we go to the setup page, we will see instructions for both admins and members. For admins, we just need to click on Connect HubSpot. This will open the authorization from HubSpot. Here we should choose which environment we're going to connect to WhatsApp and click on Choose Account. Here we want to agree to Cooby's HubSpot's terms and conditions and click on Connect App. That's it. We have now successfully connected WhatsApp to HubSpot. From here, if we click on Start Linking Contacts, this will take us to WhatsApp Web. Cooby will have linked and automatically synced the messages we have with this contact. From here, if we click on the HubSpot logo right next to the name, it will take us to the contacts card right in HubSpot. In HubSpot, we will see the activities we have synced, including Tima and WhatsApp messages. All this information, including the actual text that has been sent, will be there. That's it. Thanks for watching.